Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about the possessive nouns. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Without any further ado, let's get started. What is a possessive noun? A possessive noun is a noun that indicates ownership or possession. Look at the picture. This is a soldier. And this is a rival. This rival belongs to this soldier. So we can say, this is the soldier's rival. To say that something belongs to someone, we use an apostrophe and s. Look at the other examples. The girl's bag. The camel's tail. The words soldier, girl, and camel are the possessors of the nouns. When the possessor of the noun is in the singular form, we just need to add an apostrophe and s. The apostrophe s is added to show possession. Look at the picture. These are bags. The bags belong to the girls. So we can say, these are the girls' bags. Students' uniforms. Parents' bedroom. The words girls, students, and parents are in the plural forms. When the possessors are in the plural forms, we just need to add an apostrophe. This is a park. This park is for children. So we can say, this is children's park. Women's clothes. Deer's antlers. Children, women, and deer are the possessors of the nouns, and they are in the irregular plural forms. When the possessors of the nouns are in the irregular plural forms, the apostrophe s is added. This is his grandfather. He's also this grandfather. So we can say that he is V and Z's grandfather. This is Lila and Lily's house. It is Mr. Abdul and Mrs. Khadija's washing machine. Look at these possessive nouns. They express shared ownership. To show shared ownership, we just need to add one apostrophe and s. This is Donald's car. And this is Snoopy's car. So we can say, these are Donald's and Snoopy's cars. These are V's and grandfather's bikes. These are Dinda's and Rahma's houses. When you want to show separate ownership, apostrophe s is added to each person. In British English, the possessive nouns apply for living things only. So, instead of saying the house's roof, we say the roof of the house. However, there are some exceptions to this rule, especially when the nouns show time and measure. For examples, a day's work, a month's salary, the sun's rays, $1's worth. However, in American English, it is acceptable to say the book's cover. In American English, possessive nouns are also used for non-living things too. That's the end of our lesson today. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.